Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making something really amazing and unique. From the thumbnail, you probably guessed it already, we're creating an aesthetic mirror. This is a super fun and simple DIY project that requires almost no extra spending. So let's jump right into it. For this, all you need is an old mirror, an old blanket, and cardboard. That's it. Just do the same as I'm doing in the video. Use the cardboard as the base, wrap the blanket around it, and place the mirror in the center. Make sure it's secure, and there you go. And there you have it, your very own aesthetic mirror made from things you already have at home. Let me know in the comments if you enjoyed this DIY and how your mirror turned out. I had some leftover blankets from a previous DIY, so I thought, why not use them for this project? Recently, I saw a puzzle sheet on Temu and got the idea to make one at home. I had a puzzle mat lying around, so I took the leftover blanket, applied glue, cut the edges, and secured the ends with a lighter. And just like that, we made this beautiful, fluffy play mat using only leftover materials. Let me know in the comments section what you think about this idea. For more DIYs, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.